Welcome to our channel, where we empower you to unlock your financial potential and achieve your dreams. Today we're embarking on a journey exploring the possibilities of making $1,000 a day. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? We'll be unlocking this potential through leveraging your skills and expertise, investing wisely for passive income, and monetizing your passion. It might seem like a tall order, but remember, with the right strategies, dedication, and mindset, making $1,000 a day is entirely achievable. Keep watching, as the final strategy is guaranteed to amaze you. First up, leverage your skills and expertise. In today's digital age, the world is your marketplace. You can tap into global demand for your unique skills and talents. Whether you're a whiz at coding, a wordsmith extraordinaire, or a master of design, there's a place for you in the freelance landscape. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr have revolutionized the way we work, providing a virtual stage to showcase your abilities and connect with clients from all corners of the globe. These platforms enable you to take control of your earning potential. You set your rates, choose your projects, and decide how much you want to work. Let's paint a picture. Suppose you're a graphic designer, charging $100 per project. To make $1,000 a day, you'd need to complete 10 projects. Now that might sound daunting, but consider this. Not all projects are created equal. Some may take just an hour or two, while others may require a full day's work. The key here is diversification. Mix and match smaller, quick turnaround projects with larger, more lucrative ones. This way, you're not only making money, but also building a diverse portfolio, attracting clients from various industries. But what if you're in a field where the rates are higher? Let's say you're a software developer, charging $500 per project. In that case, just 2 projects a day would get you to that $1,000 mark. And remember, these are just examples. Your earning potential is not limited to these figures. With experience, specialization, and a strong reputation, you can charge much more. So by leveraging your skills and expertise and strategically using these platforms to your advantage, you can easily make $1,000 a day. It's all about recognizing your worth, marketing your skills effectively, and delivering quality work consistently. And that, my friends, is how you leverage your skills and expertise to unlock your earning potential. It's a journey, not a sprint, but with determination, ambition, and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit. You're well on your way to financial freedom. Next, let's talk about investing wisely for passive income. Now, passive income is essentially money that you earn without actively working for it. Money that keeps coming in even while you sleep. Sounds great, doesn't it? So how can you achieve this? Investing is your ticket to this financial freedom. Assets such as stocks, real estate, or even starting your own online business can generate these passive income streams that work for you around the clock. Let's take stocks, for instance. When you buy a share of a company, you essentially become a part owner of that business. As the company grows and profits, so does your investment. Dividends, which are a portion of the company's earnings, distributed to shareholders, can provide a steady stream of income. Real estate, on the other hand, can generate income through rental payments. Purchasing a property and renting it out can provide a consistent monthly income. Plus, the property itself could appreciate in value over time, providing you with a nice profit when you decide to sell. Online businesses such as dropshipping or affiliate marketing can also be a fantastic source of passive income. With these models, you can earn money by promoting and selling other companies' products. Once set up, these businesses can run with minimal input, generating income day and night. However, it's crucial to note that investing is not without risks. It requires careful research and strategic planning. It's about understanding the market, analyzing trends, and making informed decisions. Building a diversified portfolio is key. This means spreading your investments across different types of assets to minimize risk and maximize returns. For instance, you might split your investments between stocks, real estate, and an online business. This way, if one investment doesn't perform well, the others can help balance it out. With careful research and strategic planning, you can build a portfolio that consistently generates returns, helping you reach that $1,000 a day goal and beyond. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Take it one step at a time. And before you know it, you'll be reaping the rewards of your wise investments. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of monetizing your passion. Passion is a potent driving force that can propel you towards financial success. You've probably heard the saying, do what you love and you'll never work a day in your life. Well, it's not just a saying, it's a reality for many people who've turned their hobbies into lucrative income streams. Let's imagine you're an avid gamer, a home cook with a flair for exotic recipes, or a fitness enthusiast with a knack for motivating others. You might think these are just hobbies, but in reality they are potential gold mines waiting to be tapped. Platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and Patreon are game changers in this regard. They've democratized content creation, allowing anyone with a passion and a camera to reach a global audience. These platforms are not just about sharing, they're about connecting, engaging, and building a community around your passion. But how do you monetize this? How do you convert views, likes, and shares into dollars and cents? It's through creating valuable content that resonates with your audience. It's about understanding their needs, their interests, and delivering content that not only entertains, but also educates and inspires. Once you've built a loyal following, monetization opportunities will follow. You can generate income through ad revenue, where companies pay to advertise on your videos. There are also sponsorships, where brands pay you to promote their products or services. And let's not forget donations, where your loyal fans can directly support your work. By creating valuable content and engaging with your community, you can earn significant revenue through ads, sponsorships, and donations. So don't just dream about making $1,000 a day. Start doing what you love, engage with your passion, and watch as the financial rewards follow. Remember, your passion is more than just a hobby. It's a potential income stream that can help you achieve your financial goals. And there you have it, folks. 3 proven strategies to help you make $1,000 a day. Let's do a quick recap. First, we discussed leveraging your skills and expertise. The digital economy has opened up a plethora of opportunities for freelancers. By showcasing your talents on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr, you can connect with clients worldwide and earn a substantial income. Next, we delved into the world of investing wisely for passive income. By strategically investing in assets like stocks and real estate, or even starting your own online business, you can create passive income streams that work for you around the clock. Lastly, we explored the idea of monetizing your passion. Platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and Patreon offer opportunities to turn your hobbies into lucrative income streams. By creating valuable content and engaging with your community, you can earn significant revenue through ads, sponsorships, and donations. Remember, achieving these goals requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to learn. It might seem challenging at first, but with each step, you're getting closer to your financial goals. So keep pushing forward, keep learning, and most importantly, keep believing in your potential. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with perseverance and determination, financial freedom is within reach. Until next time, keep striving for greatness. Take care.